Whew, good morning, everybody. We're fresh out of bed, so don't judge us on how we look. But I came up here and Mommy's been cooking up a surprise. She didn't bring you guys along. I don't know what's up.
It's the pancake.
What? You got pancakes?
I got Valentines one because it's hard.
Aww. Pancake.
Mom, that's a thing of heart. Pancake was a smiley thing.
Aww. You're so cute.
What? It's Valentine's Day, so we gotta have something special.
Aww, you're so sweet. Mwah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the Valentine pancake. Craziness. Ridiculousness, like always. Mmm, with peanut butter on them. Alright, so we are just taking the kids to school today. Forrest and I. Had some nice lunch. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So we gotta get out the door. Let's go. Well, we forgot you, so you need to come with us to the school. That's okay. Also, I went to go drop off Redbox, and I was going to mail off something to the parents' house, but I forgot my wallet, so it didn't work out. But we're back home. Forrest is being a happy boy. And he sat in a big boy seat today. I wish I could have showed you. He was so cute. We'll have to reenact it another time. Maybe on the way. Yeah. You're so cute. Maybe, I have an idea. Maybe we can put him back in the seat on the way to go pick the kids up from school. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, keys. My keys.
Alright, I'm off to go pick up the Dale Band. And I also want to sneak away and bring you guys with me, because I'm going to go pick up some Valentine's Day stuff. And I need to get Cailey's screen fixed, because I broke it yesterday. So, we're going to go run some errands. Should be fun. Okay. We got the Dale Man.
What's going on?
Yeah, what's going on? How was your Valentine's Day party? What you got there? What you got there, Dale? Good talk. Alright, so we got Dale, and we have an hour and a half to kill before we pick up Annabell. Not the most convenient thing in the world, but you know, it happens. So, we gonna go get some dude time. Right, Dale? Dude time! That dude in Chewbacca jammies is rocking the crap out of that sign. Digging it. Okay, so I'm here at the store because yesterday I cracked Cailey's screen really bad. And so today my mission is fix phones. I also have this hunk of junk, which is my own fault, that I have completely destroyed because I'm horrible with phones. And although I am okay with using a busted up phone because I have no shame, I feel really bad about breaking Cailey's. So we are here to get that fixed, and then I'm actually going to see about possibly switching over to a Samsung Galaxy, because I recently got a 360 camera, but I can't use it yet because I don't have a Samsung Galaxy, so that's kind of a pain. But that's what's up, and catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, errand number 1 down. Now to see what I can do about this guy. Alright, I just had the most helpful and informative conversation with the salesperson I have ever had. Normally, AT&T, going to an AT&T store is about right above getting a root canal or an appointment to get punched in the nose. And that was a really good experience. If you're ever in South Jordan, Utah, and you need a cell phone, go see Gabe at the AT&T store. That dude is awesome. So, no phone today, because, yeah, a lot of reasons. But, it's about that time to go pick up Annabell. So, the errands continue. We are off to do the dad thing. Ooh, we need Valentine's Day stuff too. Can't forget that. Okay, we are gonna try to sneak in a super fast Target run before we have to pick up Annabell to get Valentine's Day stuff. Yep, scratch that. Their blenders that I want to get Cailey is $30 more expensive, and their flowers are ridiculous and really not that good. So although Target is nice, and normally you can spend a little bit more because Target's nice, I'm kind of a Walmart person at heart, so we're gonna go there. What do you think, Dale? You still working on that ring pop? Okay, so we just picked up a new passenger. How was school, kiddo?
Good.
That's great. Did you have fun Valentine's?
Yeah.
Oh, fun.
Mommy.
Speaking of Valentine's, attempt number 2 at getting Valentine's Day stuff.
You smell it?
Okay. Oh no! Dropped your sucker, man. Gotta hold on to that. Okay, the errands continue. And this is why you don't wait till the last minute to do Valentine's Day shopping. There we go. Because nothing says I'll love you forever like a blender. Alright, got all the Valentine's Day stuff. To be honest, I'm like most guys, and I think Valentine's Day is kind of dumb and just an excuse to get us to all buy cards and chocolates and flowers and all that stuff. And cliche enough, I just think that you should show the person that you love them all the time. I will be the first one to admit, I don't think I am that romantic of a person. You have to ask Cailey on that one. But I do just like to show her that I love her as much as possible. And I try to do that by helping with the kids and doing dishes and just loving on her and buying flowers. I do buy her flowers a lot. But, yeah, I don't know if I do a good job at it or not, but I definitely love her. And I want to show her that I love her. So, even though I'm not a fan of Valentine's Day, I am not stupid enough to not get my wife something on Valentine's Day. I hope all you people out there had enough foresight to do the same. And, yeah, so now we're off to go pick up Cailey's cell phone because it's all fixed now. So, you guys score good?
Yeah.
What'd you get for Valentine's Day?
Lammy.
Oh, Lammy. And what'd you get, Dale?
Chase.
A chase car. Paw Patrol. Can you say Paw Patrol?
He said Papa Juice.
He's funny. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright, screen's all fixed. Isn't that pretty? It has been a fun and and expensive day out with the kids, running errands and taking care of Valentine's Day stuff. But now we are gonna head home so we can go see Mommy and Forrest and have some dinner.
Yeah, because we're hungry.
You hungry? I'm hungry. Let's go eat.
A birthday to you. A beautiful day. Here or the birthday sister. The birthday you share.
Blow out the candles.
Mom, you're the candle. Hey, Dad, blow Mama, because she's the candle.
Whoa!
Oh, really? Alright, I accidentally left you guys in the car. Sorry about that. But dinner was good, it's all cleaned up. I just been doing a bunch of work because I spent my whole day running errands. And it sounds like Cailey is getting the kids in jammies. So let's go see what they're up to.
Whoa! Whoa there! Whoa there! He's getting diaper changed.
Whoa.
No vlogging for diaper changes.
What's up?
Good. I'm sticking the toothbrushes together and watch this.
Ew.
It's sticky.
Diaper.
Oh, yeah.
Ew.
Well, I just want to say hey to everybody.
Hey, before we go.
Hey, before we go.
Is it the end of the day already?
It is that time of the
Oh
day.
my goodness. Well.
Alright, Annabell, you want to say goodbye to the vlog?
Bye. Bye. I'm going to close up the vlog.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Now I'm going to
Can you say see you tomorrow?
see you later, alligator.
Forrest, can you say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Toothbrush.
Okay.